Imagine two of the most powerful objects in the universe, black holes, on a cosmic collision course. What happens when these titanic forces meet? Buckle up, because this is one of the most extreme events in the cosmos. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But they don't just sit quietly. Sometimes they orbit each other, caught in a deadly dance. Over millions of years, they get closer and closer. As they approach, they release immense energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time. In fact, the first direct detection of these waves by scientists in 2015 came from colliding black holes. When the black holes finally collide, they merge into a single, even more massive black hole. The collision happens in milliseconds, releasing energy equivalent to millions of suns going supernova, enough to shake the fabric of the universe itself. But here's the wild part. These collisions happen so far away that we can't see them with regular telescopes. We hear them through gravitational wave detectors like LIGO, which pick up these space-time ripples billions of light-years away. Studying these collisions helps us unlock the secrets of the universe. They teach us about black holes, the nature of gravity, and even the origins of the cosmos itself. It's a reminder of just how small we are, and how incredible the universe truly is. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, somewhere out there, two black holes might be colliding, creating waves that could eventually reach us. The universe is wilder and more mysterious than we can imagine. Stay curious. Subscribe for more cosmic wonders.